Hi, I'm Rod Beard. I'm Vice President of Business Development and a partner with American Solar Integrators. We're a locally based company doing business internationally. We provide energy solutions to the increasingly high cost of electricity. Today I'd like to talk to you about Kent Lowe of Integrity Heating and Cooling. Kent and I have known each other since 2008, and we're both members of the Lake Norman Executive Board, which is a Lake Norman area membership of local business owners searching for referrals and business leads for each other on a weekly basis. Kent named his business correctly when he named it Integrity, because I've known him for 4 years and I've never known anything about him other than absolute integrity. He is very dependable, very friendly, and very outgoing, and he's done work on my personal home with very good success. Here at American Solar Integrators, we specialize in utility scale projects internationally, ranging from $3 million to about $80 million is the largest project that we have done. We are the deal makers. We bring all the parties to the table, including the financing, to complete your projects. And again, I am Rod Beard. Thank you for listening.